Hey, what's up guys? So back here with a video. I'm going to be installing some LED reverse lights, and a couple of days ago I just installed the LED fog lights. They match the headlights pretty well. I don't know if you can see it. I had the polarity wrong on it, but I just switched them really quick. Now they're A-okay. Still haven't had any luck finding any seat covers yet. Hopefully that's coming soon. It's been raining for the past like week and a half since I've been inside due to coronavirus. But yeah, finally sunny out. It's gonna be sunny today, and then I think at the end of the week. Bought some another tail light. As you can see from the video, this tail light is a different color than this tail light, so I bought one that's matching this side, and it's coming in I think maybe sometime this week, so I'll be installing that. I heard you have to take off the bumper, so hopefully I can figure out a way not to do that. But yeah, let's get started installing these reverse lights. Install it for reverse lights, and you need a Phillips head screwdriver, Phillips head small screwdriver, and then just a plastic trim removal tool. And then what you're going to want to do is remove these little screws, clips, and then where is it? These everyone's favorite little lining clips, and then you're going to want to unscrew these. I'll start with doing that. Just kind of screw off. Those might be a little hard to take out, but and then these you're gonna want to pull this left side out first, and then slide it to the left. And then if you see it, how it's hold on, you don't want to unplug this side first. And then this to the right is locking it, to the left is opening it. This side out, slide it to the right. There you go. And then I'll get started on taking off those little, because you got one on this side for the screw, one on this side, and then you got 3 little of these clips, just right here, and then right here, and then you're gonna want to unscrew this thing right here. It's a Phillips head in there, so I'll get started on that. Alright, once you got the clips out, you just want to pull the fender liner down, and then these are your reverse bulbs right here. You want to undo the clips and then turn it and then take it out. There's your bulb. Now grab the replacement and put it in there. So here is the bulb. I checked on Acura, and the size was like 921. So this is it, because I just got them off eBay. I think they were like $10 or something like that, or $10 Canadian. Yeah, let's pop them in both sides, see how it works. It looks big and beefy compared to the older bulbs. Here's the old one. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but we'll see. So the right side's in, looked okay, fit fine. So you can see if you can, there it is. Well, it's not lit, but yeah. Let's get started on the left side. So this one's loose already, but what I'm gonna do is pull this tab to unhook the power, and then just, well, you're supposed to turn it and then take it out. This one looks like the clips are already broken, but pop out that bulb. clips are broken because I turned it and it's still wiggling around in there. So now let's turn on the car. I'll put it in reverse and see the results. Shake. Yeah, you can't really see the lights, but they are on. Probably be better at night, but yeah, that's it. Well, now that they're on, I'm gonna get started on reassembling everything, putting it back together. And we are all done. So next up, this one will be matching this one soon. That's coming up next, and then I have some spanner wrenches coming in for the Aristo to adjust the ride height. So I'll film a quick video on that. And this was just a super quick video on how to install these reverse bulbs on an 08 Acura TL. Until the next time, see ya.